घर आजा। I would like to thank, thank you so much. I would like to thank the Bhamla Foundation and Cares Entertainment for giving me this opportunity and giving me this platform. And with this, I would really like... चाहत तू मेरी बन गई, दिल में तू है बस गई, तू नहीं। सोचा था पा लिया तुझे, पर तुझको खो चुका था मैं तू जो तेरे लिए हो, तेरे लिए मैं बस जीऊं। दर्द में तुम हो, खुशियों में भी तू, तेरा और तुझसे ही तो हूँ। पर खुशियाँ है नहीं, तन्हाई भरी, जाने ये क्या हुआ मैं समझा ही नहीं। जाने क्यों तेरी बातें याद आती है अभी, जानू ना तुझको हासिल कर सकूंगा कि नहीं। चाहत में डूब जाए हम।
Move the crowd, something really rocking.
Let's see if you guys know this song. क्या उस जहां से ज़माने को गुज़रे ज़माना हुआ, आवाज़ है गुनगुना ले ज़रा, खामोशियाँ बात करने को कहने दो उनको ज़रा।
So thank you all for being with us, and let's truly honor World Environment Day today and make a difference in our lives.
Yeah. Thank you, Ruby. And you know, it's the whole evening we have to talk and talk and talk about the environment. So, Lucky, yeah, that was the movie, and you look really beautiful. I'd like to, Selena Mogre, to please.
Sneha, I would just like you to say a few words, whatever you feel, whatever changes you have made in your life personally, and whatever you would like to suggest to people that they can do in their lives.
Very recently, I read this amazing paragraph online that just imagine if trees gave out Wi-Fi signals. Wouldn't we be planting so many of them? But it's kind of sad that it produces something that we take for granted, and that's the oxygen that we breathe. So let's stop chopping them. The birds need the trees, we need the trees. And it starts at your home. Protecting the environment starts at your home. If everyone did just a little bit, like stop plastic, stop newspapers at your home. You have apps that you can download now to read these papers. It starts there. And if we could just do a little bit to protect the environment, very soon the protection wouldn't be needed anymore. And the environment would be protection free. So start now, stop these plastics and chopping trees, and use your apps to read newspapers and everything. Start with these little things. And the most difficult of all, which I kind of fight with is try and be a vegetarian and start with just once a day. Just make it a day that Sunday I'm not going to eat non-veg. It will help the environment because animals are here to exist. They're not here to satisfy our stomachs. Just say one thing. I keep saying that my stomach isn't a graveyard. So try and be vegetarian and help the environment as much as you can.
Thank you. That was from the heart. A big round of applause, please. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha. Big round of applause for this.
And this
Beautiful
is also
lady.
a beautiful gesture, giving bouquets. Just think of it. All it requires is just for us to be a little conscious of what we're...
I really like to thank once again the Bhamla Foundation and Mr. Ashish Shelar for really supporting the thon is going on. He's going to take a ride and come back as the...
We're waiting for the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra. For many years, I've known Mr. Asif Bhamla for, I think, 20 years now. So I was about 7 at that time. But we've been working together. I love...
We're going green. We're going green. We're gonna take care of the earth. We're going green. You can go green at your home or school. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Be careful how long you take a shower. You don't need to stand there for 70 hours. Turn off the water when you're brushing your teeth and only use the necessary energy. Turn off the lights when they're not in use. Think how much electricity you produce. Take quick drinks, walk to school. Reducing energy is really cool.
Mr. Raghu Rajiv from Lodi's. We love you, Raghu Rajiv.
Turn off the computer.
Please be seated,
every now
Raghu.
and then. Throw away litter, pick up trash, and you'll save the earth.
We welcome our District Collector, Shekhar Chennai ji.
We're going green. We're gonna take care of the earth. We're going green. You can go green at your home or school. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reuse.
Been doing
सर
their-
भड़कना नहीं है सर मेरा कोई एकदम जरा प्यार से सर एनवायरनमेंट की बातें खाली
Very
और कुछ
scary,
नहीं
very scary.
Raghu is the
Are,
man.
are, are, are.
Okay, now the mic goes to Raghu and Rajiv both. Please, you're a role model, you're an idol. People will definitely listen to you. Some tips for the people to save the environment.
Yeah, and how do you keep yourself so fit and young? Share that, please. Come on.
We don't have money for petrol.
This is an illusion, yeah.
So no, really, I really want to really appreciate everybody who's come here. And hopefully you'll become ambassadors of the cause and you will spread the word. There's a very basic change, small change in attitude that we need to bring. But it's fundamentally, it'll change the way we behave. Our world, our city, our earth is not something that we've inherited from a previous generation. It is something we've borrowed from our next generation. Just remember that, and you have to find this, you have to leave this place cleaner and happier than you found it. This is something that we do, and we really think that it's a win-win situation. Taking public transport or cycling is good for your health, good for the earth, good for everybody.
Yeah, I want to give a big thank you to the Bhamla Foundation and Asif Bhamla Saab. It's a very good initiative, and thank you all for being here. मैं जानता हूँ कि यार लाइफ में बहुत संघर्ष है, बहुत स्ट्रगल है, और एनवायरनमेंट तो ठीक है, सभी है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सभी कर रहे हैं, और ये बहुत चलता है, एटीट्यूड सबका रहता है. आई थिंक कई चीज़ें, इनफैक्ट हमारे देश में ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. अगर आप दुनिया घूमोगे तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस है, हमारे देश में थोड़ा कम है. इसलिए ऐसे इवेंट्स बहुत बहुत काम की चीज़ हैं. लिटरिंग अगर आप कम करेंगे, अपने हेल्थ का ख्याल रखेंगे, तो एनवायरनमेंट का भी ख्याल हो जाएगा. आप चल के जाओ, साइकिलिंग करो, कार इतना यूज मत करो, लिटर मत करो. और मैं टीचर नहीं हूँ और ट्यूशन नहीं दे रहा हूँ. ये तो बेसिक चीजें हैं. आप कहीं भी दुनिया में जाओगे तो ये चीजें आपको करनी ही पड़ेंगी. तो हमारे देश में रह के हम क्यों नहीं करते. थैंक यू अगेन Asif Bhamla साहब. Thank you for inviting us here.
Thank you for having us
Raj,
here.
Raghu
Good pleasure.
Rajiv ji.
And Ruby is disappeared.
She's just coming back. She's
Hi.
scared. She said, ये लोग आ गए अभी. Okay, I like to call Mrs. Alka Kerke to please come on stage and felicitate the super dude